This video is brought to you by StoneAgeGamer.com, a fantastic site for retro games, systems, accessories, and more. Be sure to check out StoneAgeGamer.com. Skip it up and that up. So a 9-year-old boy uses the $400 he saved up to buy a PlayStation 4 to buy 100 smoke detectors for his town instead. I shit you not. Shout out goes to YouTube user Lost Trigger Gaming. I'll have a link to his channel below in the description. So Hector Montoya, once again, this kid is 9 years old. Keep that thought like on the top of your brain as you're listening to what I'm saying. Wanted a PlayStation 4 desperately. So he saved up for a very long time to get the money together to buy a PlayStation 4. Then he hears about a very tragic story where a mother and child die in a house fire. They didn't get out in time and they both passed away. Well, Hector, again, this kid is 9 years old, heard this story, and instead of using the money that he saved up for himself to get a PlayStation 4, instead went out and bought 100 new smoke detectors to put into people's homes, and he teamed up with the Grand Prairie Fire Department to install them on a Saturday. Hector was going to start all over again and start saving up money to buy another PlayStation 4, but after NBC told his story, Ashton Harder and sister Peyton of Allen, Texas, decided to get him a PS4, which again, we all know a PlayStation 4 costs $400, which may not seem like a super huge amount. When you're 9 years old, that's a lot of money to save up. So in the end, not only did this 9-year-old kid, which to me is amazing, do something for his community and expected nothing in return, he still got what he wanted anyway. This is like the best story I ever heard. So I know some of you are thinking, well, Rich, I mean, it's a nice gesture, but you're making a much bigger deal out of it than it really needs to be. My thing is this. We've all been 9 years old before. Imagine, you know how it was when you were 9. You didn't want to wait 5 minutes for something. Imagine, let alone wait a year. Imagine waiting a year for a game console at 9 years old and then turning around and saying, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do something nice for my community instead. What 9-year-old would say that? What? No, I know I wouldn't. I'll be the first to admit it. Call me a bad guy, but when I was 9 years old, if I had to save up for a Sega Genesis for a year, and then someone told me, hey Rich, why don't you instead, give that money to charity or something at 9 years old, I would have been like, hell no, I am buying a Sega Genesis. Yes, I heard about that fire, sad day for them. I want a Genesis. And you can't knock me. I was 9 years old, and I'm sure 99% of the people watching it would do that too. You have to give this kid a lot of credit. He is wise beyond his years, and this is one of the most selfless things I ever heard of anybody doing, let alone a 9-year-old. I mean, come on, man. There are people who are adults in their 20s, 30s, and 40s who wouldn't do something like this. They would be saying the same thing I would be saying at 9. All right, someone died in a fire. It sucks. Happens all the time. Still going out and buying a PlayStation 4. Sorry. This kid, man, it'll be interesting to see what he's doing when he's like 20 or 30, because if he's this mature now to think this way, imagine how he'll think when he's an actual adult. And a huge shout out to the people who bought him a PlayStation 4 too. So he got rewarded, didn't think he was going to get rewarded, just wanted to do something nice for his community, and still got what he wanted because he did a good thing. This is amazing all around. All right, folks, make sure to rate, comment, favorite, and subscribe. And if you have an interesting news story you would like me to discuss, private message me with a link via YouTube. And if I use your news article, I will give you a shout out in the video and feature your YouTube channel in the description. Have a good one.